Hey guys, I wanted to quickly run through the gas properties here. Uh, as you go through the assignment, it's much like the sandwich stoichiometry lab or simulation where it gives you exactly what to do, but I just wanted to make sure everybody was on the same page. So we'll start by clicking ideal. Up here at the top, you have your temperature readout. If you click on this, it'll give you both Kelvin and degrees Celsius. We'll talk about those a little more later on, but that's going to be your temperature readout. Here is your pressure readout. Atmospheres is kind of the base unit, but also kilopascals. Again, we'll talk about pressure a little more. First thing that it's going to ask you to do is to add some particles. And so you can add particles here with these arrows. The bigger arrows or the double arrow adds 50 particles at a time. You can add light, you can add heavy particles. Notice the light ones are moving a lot faster. The single arrows add one at a time. And so it'll ask you to get to a certain number. You can adjust accordingly. You can also add by the pump as well. It'll put in a certain amount every time you pump it. Either way, you'll need to check on this width here. Down here, it'll tell you in nanometers how wide this box is. You'll also need to check the stopwatch. There will be a time where you do something for a certain amount of time. You'll also need to adjust the volume, and so it'll ask you to adjust the width here. And so this slider over on the left, this handle on the left, just click and drag, and you'll notice the width down here changes as you click and drag. You can make it much smaller of a volume or much bigger. This handle at the top also slides to let particles out. I don't believe you're going to do that, but that's what the handle is there for, to let particles out. What you will do is change the temperature. And so this little slider down here at the bottom, if you lift it up, it will add heat. And so you can see the temperature rising. If you slide it down, it cools off, the temperature is falling, and so you will kind of represent or observe what the little particles do and represent them accordingly. At a couple points, you're going to have to down here hit reset and do some other things. So that's kind of how you make it through the assignment today.